Sayyidatuna Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha has reported that the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, Jibreel alayhi salam came to me and said, "This is the 15th night of Sha'ban. Allah Azza wa Jal frees as many people from hell as the number of the hairs on the goats of the tribe of Kalb. But He Azza wa Jal does not cast merciful sight at the unbeliever, the malicious person, the one who cuts off family ties, the one who dangles his clothes, a person who disobeys his parents, and a person who is habitual of drinking wine." Mentioned quotation, the one who dangles his clothes in this hadith is meant for those who let down their trousers, shalwar, tehband, or long kurta, etc., below their ankles out of arrogance. A similar hadith reported by the great leader of billions of Muslims from Hanbali school of thought, Sayyidina Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal radiallahu ta'ala anhu, from Sayyidina Abdullah ibn Amr radiallahu ta'ala anhu, also includes the murderer. Sayyidina Kasir bin Murrah radiallahu ta'ala anhu has reported that the Prophet of Rahmah, the intercessor of Ummah, the owner of Jannah, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, on the 15th of Sha'ban, Allah Azza wa Jal forgives everyone on the earth except the one who associates partners with him or the one who has malice in his heart. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Dear viewers of Madani Channel, Shab-e Baraat is a vital night and it must not be spent carelessly. A downpour of special blessings is showered abundantly in this holy night. In this auspicious night, Allah Azza wa Jal frees people from hell in a number more than the hairs of the goats of the tribe of Bani Kalb. It is recorded in books that the tribe of Bani Kalb possessed the largest number of goats among the tribes of Arabia. Alas, there are some unfortunate people who have been declared to remain deprived of forgiveness in Shab-e Baraat. That is the night of deliverance. Sayyidina Imam Bayhaqi Shafi'i alayhi rahmatullahi al-Qawi has reported in Fadailul Awqat, the Prophet of Rahmah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam has warned 6 kinds of people will not